Sana, I hate the Mabandlas. They are so entitled, but not as much as I hate Zetu's mom. The way she is so dismissive towards Zetu, it's not cool at all. It's not giving supportive mom. So Uzetu finds herself all alone and with no one to talk to, and she have to make a crucial decision, a decision that can change her whole life, as to decide whether she should keep the baby or get rid of the baby, because really having a baby will change your whole life. Now, I don't even know if Azetu have a support system from her mom, because her mom seems so self-centered, selfish, but the Mabandla are just as worse, if not same as Zetu's mom. They are worse. Tumega, really, the only thing that she is thinking about is the fact that Linkamva will somehow come back through Zetu's child. That Zetu is going through pregnancy is going to be Zetu's body who's carrying this baby, and Zetu's life really will change. This may even affect her employment with the Zondo Technologies, because really she is an intern. All that is overlooked by Tumega and Hlati. The only thing they care about is that. So really, Tumega and Hlati, the only thing they care about is the fact that the baby that Zetu is carrying will somehow come back as Linkamva, or Linkamva will live something in this world. Really, that's the only thing they seem to care about. But Uzetu is going through the most, and really I do not blame Zetu for even thinking of eliminating the baby. It's difficult, it's tough out there, and really she have no support from her mom. Her mom is a single mother, and she constantly reminds Uzetu that she does not want Uzetu to end up a single mother just like herself. And it seems like Zetu does have an older sister who goes by the name of Thokozile, who happens to have 3 children, and she left all those 3 children with her mom. So her mom is struggling with 3 children. And sometimes I get where Zetu's mom comes from, even though it's from a very much toxicity place, because yes, she wants to protect Zetu, but she's being very toxic about it, and she expects Uzetu to help her out in the house. However, when it comes to Zetu's mom being so much frustrated towards the Mabandlas, I am 100% in support of Zetu's mom. The Mabandlas are so frustrating, annoying to deal with, especially Tumega and Hlati, very much toxic. And I think it took me a long time to realize that Tumega and Hlati, they actually deserve each other. They are just made of the same cloth, okay? So now it does appear like they did try to go to Zetu's house to try and do the right thing, but then someone else will ask, the right thing for who? Is it the right thing for the baby, the unborn baby, or is the right thing for the Mabandlas, okay? Because really the only thing that Tumega and Hlati talks about right now is that they cannot wait to be grandparents. They're going to be perfect grandparents. Zetu even asked them, okay, you are out here talking about the baby, that the baby is the Mabandlas, this and that. But how about me? I'm the mother. I'm carrying this baby. I haven't even heard you talk about me. And really, they have not even say like Zetu will support you, Zetu will do this, Zetu will do that. So anyway, it does seem like both Hlati and Tulane will go and try to talk to Zetu's mom. Zetu's mom will be so much dismissive, like she will be dismissive. And I don't blame her. I don't blame her frustrations. Now, one thing that we don't know, but the episode Friday ended when Zetu tried to take the pills. We do not know how far did that go. We don't know how far did that go, or even succeed. Did Zetu really end up taking the pills? I don't know, but it does seems like when I'm watching the trailer, it's gonna be like Zetu will be in the hospital, and this is when Zetu's mom will find out that, oh, flip, something is actually wrong with my daughter, something is wrong with my daughter. She needed me, and I wasn't there for her. She needed me, and I wasn't there for her, because Zethu did needed to talk to someone before she made a decision of taking pills. So I do see like the Mabandlas are going to be in the hospital, and Zethu's mom will just be like, you guys don't get to be content, Ngo Zethu. You all do not get to be content, Ngo Zethu, because you all were so dismissive towards Uzethu, like really, really, really dismissive, calling her names, gold digger, this, that, and the other thing. And I'm like, yes, Zethu's mom, this is your time to shine and protect Uzethu. Zethu needs your protection from the Mabandlas right now. Like, basile abantu bakwa Mabandla. Rah. Meanwhile, we have Onga's drama and Azande's drama. So dragging and so annoying. I'm just like, listen, I'm here for the Cosmo drama. Like, the only drama that I live for on Inimba is the Cosmo drama. The only drama that makes sense right now, okay? Because every time they try to take us in the bubs and give us drama in the bubs, the drama just doesn't land, hey? It just doesn't land. Give me Cosmo. I'm here for Cosmo. That's that.
Umbuzo umile uyaxoka na. A question asked by Uthandeka to Uthumeka after Uthumeka has slapped Uxolani for telling the truth. Did he lie? Love it for Utumsums Kesana. Now, the Mabandla family went to eat. Uthandeka even suggested that his men and Uxolani should leave the meeting. But Uthulani was like, no, we ain't going nowhere. We have to resolve things, even asking Uxolani to apologize to Uthumeka. But Uxolani was like, listen, I ain't going to apologize to no one, and we ain't going nowhere. As a family, we need to discuss this matter. And at some point, you could feel a bit of remorse from Uthumeka, feeling shame, rather, that really they have to be told by a child what should be done. Now, Uthumeka later on asked Uxolani ukuthi, is he ready to become a dad? Uxolani, at this point, he have doubts, understandably so. You know, becoming a father or a parent is never something easy, let alone Uxolani to be expected to step up and raise Linkamva's child. Uxolani does say that, yes, he does care about Uzethu a lot, but really he does not know that he is ready to take further responsibilities. He also told his mom, Uthandeka, Uzethu is actually thinking to terminate the baby. At this point, he's not really sure if she should keep the baby or not. Understandably so, you know, the shock in Zethu. It's understandable if really she is not sure. Should I keep the baby? Should I not keep the baby? 100% understandable. But Uzethu, on the other side, she is dealing with her own stuff, okay? She has to confess to her mom, come clean, that she is pregnant. The pressure that she is getting from her mom really is completely unfair from just one person. Her mom is giving her so much pressure. Also going as far as saying that Zethu have to help her take care of the family, and Zethu is unlike her sister who left her with 3 kids. Zethu is such a good child, and Uzethu, you can tell that because of so much pressure that has been put upon her, she is terrified. She is afraid to shame her mom, you know. She feels like she's going to be shaming her mom, and you know, she just feels so ashamed and that she has to carry all this thing by herself. Meanwhile, Uthumeka and Uhlati, the only thing that they talk about is becoming grandparents. Shame, they are so ready to become grandparents. And I feel like because they are ready to become grandparents, at the end of the day, it is Zethu's decision to keep the baby or terminate the baby. So I do feel like they will get a huge disappointment when Uzethu decide that she does not want to be a mom, and all their dreams of becoming grandparents will perish. Sana, feel sorry for Uthumeka and Uhlati, but yeah, I don't see their dreams of becoming grandparents coming true, especially because Zethu is so young and she's really receiving so much pressure from her mom, like too much pressure from her mom.
One thing about uThumeka, akalifuni tu iqiniso loya mama, not uXolani telling uThumsthums ukuthi lalela makazi, you are legit the last person to judge me, okay? Because uThumeka was all in on uXolani telling him ukuthi, don't you have shame taking over your cousin's girlfriend, fiance even, because Uzethu and Linkamfa were engaged. uXolani was like, I'm gonna take this opportunity to defend myself, okay? Makazi, you are legit the last person on this planet to judge me. You actually took your cousin's husband, okay? And your cousin was still alive. My situation is completely different because my cousin is no more, okay? And uThumeka, yes, Sana, you know, if the shoe fits Cinderella. Thumeka was like, how dare you speak to me like that, and release a hot slap. Not uThandeka defending her son. Uba like, lalela kaloku, soze Thumsthums, soze, sana lwami, how dare you think you can slap my child like that, okay? And uThumeka uthi, hayibo, wena Thandeka awumvanga na ukuba uthetha nami njani. And uThandeka uba uthi nje uyaxoka na. And I'm just like, oh, Sana, I'm here for this two's drama. They've been friends for far too long. I'm here for the friendship collapsing. And I love it for uThandeka to stand by her son, you know, and vele in such cases you really have to stand with your son. I'm like, good for you, Thandeka, stand for your son, okay, defend your son. And I'm surprised why uThulani was just sitting right there next to Dabs and just looking at things like Haibo. Like at some point he looked very, very, very confused. Anyway, the Mabantlas now knows about Zethu's pregnancy. Like, I don't understand uThumeka. At this point, I want Hlati to leave Thumeka, okay? Because I can't tell if Hlati is truly happy with uThumeka. uThumeka, on the other hand, she's like, okay, you know what? Zethu is pregnant. That's fine. We have to be part of the pregnancy. And uHlangathu uba like, no, I hambi kanjalo kaloku lento. You know, we have to wait for Zethu. Zethu has to be the one who is ready to come and tell us and inform us ukuthi no, she's ready. You know, she wants us to be part of her journey carrying the baby. But Sana, not uThumeka wants to take decisions for Zethu and be like, no, we are the grandparents, kaloku, you know, we have to be part of Zethu's child. Zethu was also very much disappointed finding out that uXolani went ahead and snitched on her. Zethu is like, you understand what you took away from me? I haven't even told my mom, and you have already told the Mabantlas, okay? Like, I really, really hate how Zethu was portrayed as a gold digger, someone who wants to be digging some gold, and the Mabantlas don't look like they have gold either. I'm like, what gold does Zethu want to dig here, okay? Now, as soon as Zethu's moms find out about the pregnancy, she will try her best to convince her otherwise, saying it's very difficult to raise a child alone now that Linkava is not even around anymore. Things are going to be extremely difficult for Zethu, and you know, to keep a baby is very much unwise. So it's going to be so tricky for Zethu because there are Mabantlas, people who have never really welcomed her nicely, are ready to welcome her now that there is a child involved. And there is her mom, someone who has supported her whole life. It's like, this is a bad decision, babe. This is a horrible, horrible decision. Do not keep that child. So I guess everything else lies within Zethu. The Mabantlas can fight all the ones. They can fight amongst each other. But Zethu is the only one who lies with a big decision ahead. Does she choose to keep the baby? Or does she choose to just put all this whole thing behind her and move on with her life? I do believe that if Zethu can choose otherwise, it will deeply hurt Utumega. But again, this is not about Utumega. So Zekasana.
Sana, I just knew it that Xolani and Zethu's relationship will definitely come between Thandeka and Utumega's friendship. Now that everything is out, now that Xolani have told his family that Zethu is pregnant, and not only is Zethu pregnant, but it is Linkamva's child. Well, the old Tumega is back, calling Zethu all the names, saying that Zethu definitely wanted to trap Ulinkamva. Now, I don't know if Xolani will go further on and explain that she and Zethu are in a relationship and she has offered to help with a child. Now, that's what we gonna be saying this week. When I tell you that Cosmo drama is way better than the Sensen drama. Lalela, I just wanna live in Cosmo right now because they know how to deliver drama, okay? So, the Mabandlas are going through it after finding out the pregnancy of Zethu. And I think Xolani will do one of the most honorable things to step up and offer to be a stepfather in his ways. He says this is what Linkamva would have wanted him to do, to step up and be a stepdad to his kids. Now, I don't know, okay? I don't know. I do know that Tumega will be acting all paranoia. Tumega will go as far as slapping Xolani. This is when Uthandeka will be like, Sana, isibindi, iliva ekanakana, uyithathaphi iliva ekanakana, ukuzoqhwaba umntanami ngempama, you know? And, Utumega will be like, did you hear what he said to me? And then Uthandeka will be like, uyaxoka na. And I think, honestly, Xolani finally told Utumega a piece of his mind, what he really thinks of Utumega, that she is a hypocrite. I do think that Utumega is a hypocrite, and I do think that it's just a matter of time that Uhlazi realizes that, oh no, the old Utumega is back in surface. Now, I don't like how Tumega encourages Uhlazi to cut off the contracts that he had with the Zondo Technologies. And for me, that was very much hypocrisy from Utumega. I'm just like, Hlazi, please, you need to leave this woman for your own sanity. Now, we will meet also Zethu's mom, who will be so concerned about Zethu, that Zethu is pregnant, and going as far as saying, Zethu, do you honestly think that pregnancy is a joke? Do you honestly think that pregnancy is something that you can play with? Do you think pregnant is something to play kids? But Zethu will try to defend herself. And honestly, Zethu is not in a good position, considering that the Mabandlas really do not want her except Xolani. I am like, I don't know, Zethu is the luckiest, and I'm grateful to Xolani for actually willing and going as far as what he is going to make sure that he supports Zethu. And he needs to for Uthandeka. I'm like, yes, Thandeka, okay. Someone needs to stand up for Zethu, because definitely Utumega I bully, kesana, bully. Hey, guys, now one thing that we do not know is how will Clancy's relationship work out now, okay? Clancy's relationship, how will it work out with his brother, okay? Because remember that Thandeka is married to Hlazi's brother. Xolani is actually Hlazi's nephew, because it's his brother's son. So I don't know if it will affect also their relationship. But I do believe that definitely Thandeka and Tumega's relationship forever ruined Gesana, and I am here for it.
Oh, I don't know if this makes me a villain or what, but I am here for it. I'm here for the relationship being ruined. Thandeka, his relationship and Uthumeka. I want it to be tasted, and I want to see if really it is a real friendship, because sometimes I just feel like really Uthumeka can not be friends with anyone. He is very